of spending hours upon end trying to get out a broken stud and really being frustrated by the time you're trying to get it done, we have Marco in here with us today from Easy Stud Out, and not just our GM product that we have with us, but Marco, you guys have a kit to cover lots of makes and models.
Yes, exactly. We have a Chrysler Master Kit, a Ford Master Kit, and GM Master Kit right here with this plate, and a universal kit for pretty much any broken stud on any flat surface.
Absolutely, and when you think about, okay, you are a shop owner and you're trying to explain to the customer that, yes, it's a very, normally, labor-intensive type thing, and they're looking like, what, 7-8 hours to do this? Wait a minute, come on, it's just a broken stud. But you can get the studs out, get that vehicle out of the Bay Area, and keep things moving along for the shop owner. We know that it's pretty difficult to work inside underneath the hood, trying to get especially some of the studs that are in the back, but with the tools such as yours, it's a lot easier. Of course, we have the head sitting here, but we saw how easy it was for you to work under the hood in a real life situation.
We could pretty much do anything under the hood or from underneath. It's very simple. The trick is basically by using a MIG welder to weld a nut on the stud. You could pretty much use any angle you want. You don't have to be straight as you would have with a drill.
Absolutely. Chrysler, Ford, GM, and of course the kit here that if you had something else broke on the vehicle, you can be able to do that as well. Find out more by going to their website at easystudout.com, and we'll have more Performance TV right after this.